Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and assemble the Vevor F910 heat press machine, specifically when it comes to pressing a mug or cup. If you want to check out other videos on how to use this machine, be sure to check out this playlist here in this card. This will show you different videos, unboxing, a review video, and also how to press a t-shirt, a hat, or a plate or dish using those other attachments. Today we are doing the mug or cup. So we've got two different parts, one for an 11 ounce and one for a 9 ounce. So the use of these is the exact same, so I'm only going to do one of them. All right, if you have any questions or comments on that, you can always put them below, or you can check out the manual, which has a list of all the parts, also shows you how to assemble and what temperature to use. 11 ounce should be 185 degrees, time 210 seconds. So that's a long time, except for that's with Celsius, but we're gonna do Fahrenheit. I'll show you how to do that. If you have any questions on the installation, right here it shows you how to assemble. Otherwise, pay attention because we're gonna go through it right now. The assembly is very simple. We're gonna swing this out of the way. There are two parts you're going to need. One says above, one says below. Above, below could mean you put this one down here and the cylinder above it and the cylinder below it, or you could flip these around and one goes on the top, one goes on the bottom. Luckily for you, these parts, they're not identical. You see this? So one is specific to the top or the bottom. Which one is going to be dependent on the manual. So you can go here, check this out, and you can see the one that looks like a T goes on the bottom. The other one goes on the top. So this one that's a T is going to go down here. This one that says above is going to go here. So it will go like this. Unfortunately, the arrows do not go pointing to each other. They go one on top of another. The writing for this one is right side up. The writing for this one is upside down, so that doesn't help you. Basically, the only thing you have to go on is the T goes on the bottom, the solid one goes on the top. So how do you put them in? Use these screws to secure them. One, next one right here. From the top down. You might have to remove these bolts in order to get in there, which is just fine. We'll also pull off a washer. Leave one washer on. There we go. The above and below are now done. Next thing we're going to do is put on the handle. This is a half moon cut, so the handle can only go on one way. Down just like that. Washer on the outside. Add the nut. Washer. Add the nut. All right. Now, add the cylinder. This is going to go on this direction. So we're going to start with the bottom. Goes just like this. Right over those holes. You'll use these four little guys to attach it. Now the top, swing that around, line up the holes, and put the screws in. All right, the final step is to plug in the cord. So this is interesting because you can't swing this out of the way, so you have to turn the whole machine. On here there is a groove on one side. This will line up with the groove in the bottom corner here. The corner can be on a round thing, but down there. Slide that in, then screw this on like a coax cable. And there we go. We're now ready. The next step would be to plug the machine in and begin. Alright, so let's say we've got a mug in there with our graphic wrapped around it. The next thing you need to do is configure the setup. So here we go. It says right now it's at 81 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 seconds. To adjust that, you're going to squeeze and turn. There's our Fahrenheit. We want it to be, we'll say 210 degrees. Wait. And now it'll set itself. Let's say we want it to be 100 seconds. Squeeze and turn. Once it's blinking, now we can adjust the seconds. 110 seconds. Boom. Of course, these settings are not specific to anything you are doing. You need to check what the temperature and the seconds need to be for the specific product that you are imprinting or heat pressing. This process is going to be the same whether it's the 9 ounce or the 11 ounce. The heat and time are going to depend on if you have a steel mug, a regular mug, a cup, some type of water bottle, etc. So once this is up to temperature, then the next step is going to be to use this lever to press the mug. So if we have a mug in there, this is going to press it down. Right now it beeped at us, so we're ready to go. Press it down, boom. The mug is now being created. It's going to count down. As soon as this hits 0, it's going to beep. You release the lever, take out your mug, and you are good to go. Remember, the machine will be hot this entire press. For example, if this is what's in there, this is right now it's getting pressed. This whole thing is going to be hot. So don't touch any of that when you are done. I really hope that you like this video. Do so by clicking on the like button below. In addition, hit that subscribe button, click on the bell icon to stay notified of future videos, and I really hope you check out that playlist to see how to use each of these other attachments. In addition, check out the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. We've got an unboxing video that you can check out right here, and there will also be a review video of this product as a whole, going over everything and telling you what I think of the product, so you can check out the Honest Reviews video for the Vevor F910 machine in a card right here. Right now we've got 50 seconds left, so we're going to pretend that it hits 0, the machine beeps, and you open it up, and you're good to go. You can then remove your mug. You can't turn this, so you have to get the mug out by grabbing onto the handle or grabbing it on somehow here and pulling it out, and you would be all set. So again, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to place them below. If you can't figure something out, feel free to reach out to Vevor Customer Support. Thank you.